Alright, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, coming at you with the news, and apparently some of these characters are getting resurrected. I only know of Nozomi and Ouko, so let's see exactly what they're going to be doing with these characters. I don't know if Ashido's getting one too, or if it's just these two. Oh, so it really is only these two, okay. I thought that maybe the third one would have gotten in, and I didn't even want to showcase Ashido, because he's probably the biggest disappointment in this game for me. He was my first 5-star. You can probably guess by like how disappointed I was when the Reddit told me that he was good simply because he wasn't Renji. Yeah, okay. So let's just get into this Nozomi real quick. 959 stamina, 681 spiritual pressure, 608 attack. Defense and focus is that doesn't really matter. Recover stamina link, and she's also getting strong attack recharge. That's actually pretty good. She is getting a bruiser of 50%, which is interesting. Berserker 30%, long reach 20%. I wonder if she's going to actually be a relatively decent auto unit for early on players. She's definitely not going to be able to auto inheritance zone. Her stats are very, very, very low. Well, maybe if you link slot her, which I wouldn't recommend. I'm sure one person is going to do that. We can attack on her special. Yeah, it's kind of a moot point at this point, honestly. Like, it's cute, but bruiser 50% with 600 attack. Like, let's be real here, she ain't doing much. Alright, Ouko, Soul Reaper Killer, along with... guys, I'm calling him Ouko to troll you. Relax in the comments below. You know, you guys are already typing it up. Just chill. Strong attack recharge, and he's also getting poison duration. He's getting frenzy if he didn't already have that. Long reach 20%, bruiser 20%, blast zone 30%. This was also, for those that don't know what blast zone is, blast zone increases the range of your special. Back in the day, full screen specials were not the norm. Honestly, full screen specials probably started becoming the norm with Dangai Ichigo, and I actually don't even remember if Power Baragon had a full screen special, but yeah, those characters are the ones that really started the ball. I mean, I guess you can count like Heart Byakuya, but let's be real here. That Heart Byakuya wasn't really dealing a crazy amount of damage in comparison to Dangai with his bombardment. These characters seem like they're just gonna be links. Well, actually, not gonna lie, Nozomi might not be a bad auto unit for like raids. I don't see her doing any type of endgame content at all. So, I mean, it's just Orbs, in my opinion. It is what it is.